你好. Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Ji. You're watching Learning Chinese with Ji. Do you want to learn Chinese? Stay here and follow me well, and I will show you the easiest way to learn Chinese. Hello everyone, 你好. Welcome back to my channel. In the last video, I've shown you the basic conversations in Chinese. Do you still remember that? How to say hello, thank you, I'm sorry, or excuse me, and goodbye. Great. Now I'm gonna show you how to introduce yourself in Chinese. Let's get started. When you meet a new friend, you have to introduce a little about yourself. It's not necessary to talk too much, because sometimes it's just the way to start a conversation. So, I just showed you 4 easy phrases to introduce your name. 我叫 and your name. 我 means I in English. 我 Do you still remember how we say hello in Chinese? 你好 你 it means you. 我你我你叫 mean to be called. 我叫 means my name is. For example, your name is Mike, and to introduce your name, you say 我叫 Mike. 我叫 Mike. 我叫 Mike. And your name is Christine? 我叫 Christine. 我叫 Christine. 我的名字是我的名字是我的名字是我的 means my 名字 is name. 是 is my name is 我的名字是 But for the beginners, you don't have to remember just like a long sentence like this. The simple way is 我叫你好我叫 To tell somebody where you come from, 我来自我 means yes. 我 means I come 来 from is 自我来自 I come from. For example, you come from America. And 我来自 America. Okay, understand? But how can you say the name of your country in Chinese? America in Chinese is 美国 So, a complete sentence is 我来自美国我来自 美国. You could be confused about the name of your country in Chinese, but don't worry about that. Anyway, firstly, you have to remember only your name of your countries, right? So I will take some example about the name of the countries in Chinese. France, 法国 法国 Germany 德国德国 England 英国英国 China 中国中国 Thailand 泰国泰国 You come from England and you say in Chinese 我来自英国我来自英国 After you've introduced yourself, we often say Nice to meet you 很高兴认识你很高兴认识你 These are long phrases, right? So you can take a break. You can take a break between two parts of this. For example, 很高兴认识你 Still long? Okay, just try one more time. 很高兴认识你肯 in English means very 很高兴 means happy 认识 to meet 你 means you in English 很高兴认识你很高兴认识你 Let's take a review of what we have learned today. Introduce your name. 我叫I come from 我来自 To say nice to meet you 很高兴认识你很高兴认识你 For example, your name is Anna and you come from England. How could you say 你好我叫安娜我来自英国很高兴认识你很高兴认识你 Please practice this sentence usually until you can remember all of them. Speak loudly, please, and from now, you can speak a little Chinese. It's amazing. Imagine when you tell your family or your friends that you can speak Chinese. So great. Now you can introduce yourself and you can speak Chinese, a language that people consider as the hardest language in the world. Just follow my videos. In the next video, I will show you how to count in Chinese. I hope you enjoy my videos. Bye! 再见!